turaruguria muthenya wa umuthi dental clinic itu na turaruguria ni tondu ni tukoretwo twina ciuria nyingi muno ciigie urigitani wa magego, tugacoka tugakorwo tukiurio maundu maingi muno maria tukoretwo tukiona arwaru itu tukona mena mathina wa magego muno, na twahota kurora availability ya gukorwo andu magikorwo mena dental clinics ciguku ti nyingi, na turona ari wega twambiririe ina meta medical camp tuhote kwamba kuheana services icio at a subsidized rate ya $200 etha tuhote kumwonia ni twahingura clinic macoke niguo tuhote kuthii na mbere na kumabook appointments to muthi twa book aingi muno aria mara need maundu maingi muno megie guthondekwo magego tutangihota gwikira campaign no twikire dental chairs ini na madagitari meku no marathi na mbere na kuona andu aitu.
So what we advise is if somebody has a problem with their teeth or their gums or the oral health at large, we advise for the people to come to see a dentist, where the dentist will check their teeth and will advise further.